Everyone talks about quitting dopamine. No phone, no games, no music. But here's the truth. You can't detox from dopamine. It's the chemical that keeps you alive. What you really need is to relearn boredom, because somewhere along the way, we forgot how to do nothing. We scroll when we wait. We check messages before we even blink. Our brains are stuck in a loop, chasing micro hits of pleasure that never last. The first phase isn't quitting anything, it's noticing. Notice how often you reach for your phone. Notice the twitch in your hand when silence lasts too long. That moment when you feel the urge to just check something, that's your training ground. Each time you resist, your brain relearns how to wait. Now comes recalibration. Don't delete everything. Limit it. Check your phone at fixed hours. Walk without headphones. Let yourself stare at the ceiling. Because boredom isn't emptiness, it's space. Space where creativity sneaks in, where thoughts finally connect. Finally, redirection. Use that newfound stillness as fuel. When your brain stops chasing noise, it starts creating meaning. That's when focus returns, discipline grows, and joy feels real again. Not borrowed from pixels, but built from presence. So no, this detox isn't about deleting dopamine. It's about remembering how to feel it naturally. Because when you master boredom, you stop running from life and start living it.